Hi there. This afternoon I wanted to share some things with you about the new Equinox 4 LCD keypad, some insights that I think would be valuable with regards to the design center environment and the product. You know, with Equinox 4, it truly is a product that can be implemented in both new construction and remodel because the product is really simple. It's got a flexible and an adaptable UI. There's no engraving necessary on the product, and it's consistent with everything else. And most importantly, it gives you true multi-system control in a single gang product. So as we're looking at Design Center right here, we are looking at an Equinox 4 keypad in the kitchen. Now at first glance you'll see there are 3 mini widgets. The top section is called the Climate or Comfort mini widget. This middle section that says Coffee, Breakfast, and Away, as you see, is the Scenes mini widget. And down at the very bottom, or the bottom third area here, is the Audio mini widget. So 3 functions: comfort, scenes, and audio, all in a single gang. Now what's really powerful about the product is that as you bring this into your Design Center file, it auto-assigns the thermostat for you and builds the programming necessary, so no tasks. And it auto-assigns the AV zone and builds the programming necessary, all without having to do any tasks. So all the source selection, all the amplification, all of the transport commands for the sources are all pre-built for you. Extremely powerful. We do allow you to build specifically the scenes, such as Coffee, Breakfast, and Away, through the Design Center task editors. So you can build any type of procedure, conditional logic, etc., etc. Very, very powerful in those 3 mini widgets. Now, with regards to the mini widgets, because there are 3, you can combine these in a variety of ways. So for example, in the kitchen, I've got the 3 mini widgets. But if I had wanted to, I could have gone to the entry, and you'll see here in the entry keypad, I didn't need audio control. So instead of having a thermostat, I'm actually putting the outside weather in the header. And I've removed the audio zone capability of it because I don't need it for audio. I just want the 5 specific scenes that I can implement. So instead of having 3 scenes, I have 5 scenes, and I have no audio. So you can mix and match. As an example, I could even, if I wanted to, remove the header portion so that it's empty. In this case, I only have strictly scenes. So it's really flexible, really powerful in that regards. The last area that I wanted to show you where there's a lot of power with regards to the Equinox keypad is the concept of pages or profiles, where I can change the scenes visible by changing the page or the profile. So a profile would be, maybe I want scenes for the morning, scenes for the evening, and scenes for the night. Or maybe I want scenes for mom and scenes for dad and scenes for the guest. Or maybe I want scenes for the kitchen and scenes for the hallway and scenes for the family room nearby. Or maybe as a last example, I want scenes for lighting, and I want scenes for shades, and I want scenes for potentially maybe a combo of lighting and thermostats or additional audio, etc., etc. So in this case, you'll see that on page 1, I have Welcome, Read, and Away in the Scenes area. I'm going to move to page number 2, and you'll see that now the scenes have changed to Relax, Cool, and Off. And I'm going to move to now page 3, and I will be in Night, Path, and Sleep. And you can accomplish moving to these pages by swiping on the device from left to right, and it will move you from page 1 to page 2 to page 3. Or I can affect a timer that sets that page in the morning or the noon or the night, or maybe party mode brings up a different set of scenes. You can imagine how flexible and adaptable this product truly is. That's Equinox 4 in a nutshell. There will be additional videos with regards to specifics on audio, specifics on comfort, and specifics on scenes. So thank you and happy programming.